So in here I have cream cheese and mozzarella. I'm gonna go ahead and melt that in the microwave, excuse me, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like. All right. So much better. See that? Nice and smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and melt the butter. So here's my butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt that real quick. 15 seconds typically does that. Alright. So see how that's melted there? And that's fine because it'll continue to melt in our mixture. Alright, it's ooey and gooey. So let's go ahead and add. Don't worry because this will all mix in well. So here I have my whey protein. Again, measurements are gonna be on my website, and here we have the baking powder. Yeah, honey. See that? Such a dough. I'll give you more. Hold on.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You're silly.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Dough-like. All right. I'm gonna add an egg because we need a binding agent, right? Keep this thing together. And one egg is perfect because it won't give it that eggy taste. Hold on, Jaden. I'll help you. I'm like using so many eggs. So you just knead this until everything's incorporated. Okay, almost there, guys. It does take some hand power. You could do this in the KitchenAid as well. I just prefer to do it like this. That's all. All right, so now I have my mold here. I'm gonna be making 3 different recipes in this video. So I am gonna use this all, but I'm gonna use it in 3 different ways. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit with the coconut oil. I'm gonna use this one. I really don't think you have to do that. Plus this is silicone, so for stability I'm using the cookie sheet. Don't have to do that, you know, with the lining and the sheet, but I prefer it. So here we're gonna fill our molds for the everything bagel, okay? You don't want to fill it all the way. Just a little bit. Yeah.
Mommy.
Because these are going to rise.
Mom.
Not much, but they will.
Mommy.
Yes.
Look. Wow.
Let me see. Oh, that's not a ball, that's bread.
Ball.
I filled it all the way to the top, so I like them thick enough that I can make a sandwich with, right? So, for you to see that, see how that is? Okay. Let me do the other one.
This is super easy to make. You could actually make it as a meal prep ahead of time and put them in the freezer or the fridge, you know, for the week or whatever, however you want it. Let's just make sure they're going to be kind of poofy.
For my everything bagel. There's an actual everything bagel seasoning, okay, similar to this. This is my Montreal seasoning. I try to use what I have on hand. So this is what I have, but you can find the everything bagel seasoning at Trader Joe's. I don't know if Sprouts carries it or any other supermarket. I'm gonna sprinkle my bagel. And this is to taste, so. I've made these already, so trust me when I say that these are good. Now I don't want it in my blueberry, so let me clean that out real quick. Let me spray this one more time because I wiped it off. So for the blueberry, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my bowl. So put some in here. And I have a 1/4 cup of blueberries. Now this might be too many, so I don't think I'm gonna use them all. Just fold it in there. All right. And then when it bakes, yummy goodness. And I'm gonna go ahead. Like I said, this recipe will make the 6 bagels decent sizes. All right, I made a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. So what I'm gonna do is just pour some in there, just to taste. Again, this recipe will be, along with the other ones, on my website at www.ketowithlee.us. Now I did say sugar, that's the brown sugar substitute that is keto friendly. It is made by Sucrin Gold. So I order mine on Amazon. You can get it there as well. All right. I'm just gonna take this and put more on top. Ooey, gooey goodness. Oop, not too much. Oh, amazing. All right. And there we have it, guys. We have blueberry, everything, and cinnamon sugar. So we're off to the microwave, and I'll be right back. I mean the oven, sorry. We're off to the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I want you to see this. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Oh, straight out of the oven. Look at that. Perfect for sandwiches. Look how much it rose. See? You can see that there. How much they rose. So this one didn't rise too much because I didn't feel it too much. Ooh, look how pretty though. Look at that. Amazing. It smells so good. So there you have it, folks. Keto bagels, low carb bagels, and they're perfect for sandwiches or to eat on their own with butter or cream cheese. So I'm gonna go plate this. Try this recipe. Let me know what you think.